Good day, Nahom. Look here. Look here. I'm here. Hi. See? Good day, Nahom. I'm your host, Will Cloud. Welcome back to Mazda 6. Now, I was doing the license plate mod. As you can see, this screw is fully out. See, the plate is... So this screw, I think it has some issue with me, or I'm having issue with it. I don't know who has the actual issue, but let me show you what's the actual issue with it. I don't know about you, but I cannot call this a screw head. There's nothing to grab. This thing can, if I smash with a hammer or anything, it will leave dents. So how to get rid of such a screw? Well, you don't know anything. Basically, I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea how to get rid of this kind of thing. I don't want to drill this, so at the end, or rip off this license plate. It's not that bad, it has only some tape marks. So I can save the license plate, but this you can put anything on that head. When I mean anything, I mean completely anything. It won't move, it won't budge. So I got an idea. I take you guys with me. How much I struggle to remove one screw. One shitty screw. I will try not to ruin the license plate. Basically, I would like to get this off the cover. Ooh, ho 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 ho! It's a feisty one. From inside to out, yeah. That might do the trick. There you go. That's ripped off a bit. Actually, this thing is here. This plastic cover cup. So this doesn't happen to the bolt. Or to the screw, actually, not to the bolt. That's a screw. You like to screw it. Come to me. I know my hands are in front. There's nothing I can do. You're literally in front. Let me just peel this off first. Get off my car. Get off my car, you fuck. That's how a screw head should look like. That's how it looks like. And now I'm trying to remove this plastic, so I can actually reach the screw head and do something with the screw head itself. Now many of you are saying like, cut there a slot, and that's what I'm gonna do. But you cannot cut a slot if you cannot access the bolt, can you? So I have to cut all this out first. And now I have actual access to the... I don't know how you can call it. Absolutely nothing. Now I don't have an angle grinder, and that's the worst part, because I have only this. And I cannot use it. I cannot use it. Take the blade out. That's what happens when you have bad memory. Actually, when your brains don't work. You want to say this? What's the name? Now I should say 2 years later. This time. Is it? And here. So I'll take here, and all of here. So then oh. It's again, how me. Okay, now I made sure that there's only the screw head, that there isn't anything else that the pliers can catch. Come on. I wish I would have an angle grinder now. Oh my god, I'm glad it would be so good. I wanted to avoid this. And I'm gonna bang this one on. It's a T20 Torx bit. So I'm gonna drill a hole in there, bang on with the hammer that Torx bit, and done. I'm done playing around. Yes. Haha, ha 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 ha. There's the screw. Well, what's left from the screw? Good that I have replacements. And that's how you remove a screw. Don't waste your time with cutting a slot. Get a drill. With a metal drill, drill a hole and use with a hammer, just force in. This is a T15 Torx bit. Just bang it in, and this drill is a little smaller than the bit itself. So it actually will bang in and it'll start to grab. That's the easiest way. If you liked this video was helpful, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!